Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at this USB desktop microphone from FineFine. It's a microphone that's perfect for live streaming, YouTube, gaming, Zoom calls, other conference calls. It's just a brilliant sounding microphone, and this is the microphone you're listening to in this video. The whole video, bar the testing and comparisons between other microphones, is what you're going to be listening to the whole time. This is it. FineFine. Let's jump into it and show you exactly what this microphone is all about. First impressions of this USB desktop microphone from FineFine are good. It comes packed with features. We're going to take a look at what comes in the box in just a second, but just quickly, it's a USB condenser microphone with a stand. It connects via USB-A and USB-C. It's sort of a dual connector cable that comes with this, which is fantastic for PC and Mac users. Well, in this different world we live in where people are increasingly working remotely from home, having something like this is, in my eyes, essential for Zoom calls, conference calls. Audio is probably more important than video quality when it comes to those kind of things, especially if you're a gamer or a live streamer or a YouTuber. This is an extremely good option because, as I said, audio is extremely important, and I'm guessing that the quality of the audio coming from this microphone is going to be extremely good. We're going to pitch it against one of its closest competitors, the Blue Snowball. Now, this is a microphone I used when I first started making YouTube videos. It looks a little bit silly, but don't be fooled. It's a very good microphone. So if it compares to that, then it's a similar price. It's a good microphone. So let's take a quick look at what you get in the box when you actually purchase one of these microphones. It comes with the microphone itself. Obviously, it's very well built. It's fully made of metal. The mount it comes is actually plastic underneath, but the actual microphone itself is extremely good quality build. You get that cable, which is both USB-A and USB-C, like I've said. You also get this dual layer pop filter, which I've actually got on the microphone now, and it really is good quality. It comes with the elastic connectors that you just sort of slide over the top of the microphone, and that's fantastic. It's extremely important to have a pop filter on your microphone to get rid of those P's, D's, and those kind of sounds when you're talking into the microphone. It also comes with a nice three-legged stand which screws on. You have to be careful when it comes to banging on the table when you're just on this basic tripod that comes with the microphone, but that's when a boom microphone arm comes in handy for absorbing some of those vibrations and getting better audio as well. And I just so happen to have one here from a company called Fox, and I'll be doing a video on this very soon. It actually comes with a handy fill light built in onto the boom arm, which is super awesome and adds just a little bit more light about that. So that's cool. It does actually work with PS4 and Xbox as well. Like I said, it's USB-A, so we'll be able to plug it into your Xbox or PS4. There is a headphone jack on the rear of it for real-time audio monitoring as well. So if you're playing Xbox or you're doing a live stream and you want to listen to your own audio, you can do via that headphone jack. There's a mute button on the front, so you can very quickly, and we'll. So it mutes it, and the gain dial on the front of the microphone is very nice and smooth. You can adjust the gain and the sound and the volume as you're on the go as well. So if you're in the chat, somebody's telling you your microphone's too loud, just quickly turn it down by the twist of a dial. First impressions then, all in all, this looks like a fantastic microphone. What you get in the box is really good. What we're going to do is we're going to put this microphone onto the boom arm, and then we're going to test it against the Blue Snowball to see how it pitches, how it fares, see what the comparison between the two are. It's a good job that I've got that fill light because my other lights just died. So it comes in very handy. Can I increase the volume? Increase the volume, increase the noise? No. So let's plug the Blue Snowball in for comparison. Okay, so the Blue Snowball plugged in. This is what the Blue Snowball sounds like. This is a microphone, like I said, I started off my YouTube career with. I was really impressed with it when I first started, but when you do touch the table, you get those little micro sounds and jitters and stuff like that. But for the price, I think this is about the similar price, maybe just a little bit cheaper, but this is a really good microphone. And then we're going to switch to the FineFine, and you can see the difference between the two. Now then, this is the FineFine. Of course, with the FineFine, you've got this pop filter, which also really helps with the audio, and you just be the judge of the comparison between the two microphones. I'm thinking the FineFine is going to be a better microphone, just judging on the build quality, and yeah, but the decision is yours. You let me know in the comments down below. So like I said, we've got this boom arm from Renfox, really impressed. It's got the fill light, comes in the box. There's other things that it comes with. It does actually come with this built-in vibration mount, which would be handy with this if you want extra vibration, dampening, other fitments as well. So like I said, make sure you stay tuned. I'll be doing a full review on this boom arm coming up soon. Subscribe down below. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps this channel grow and we get more products like this to review. I've watched those 2 clips back, and in conclusion, it's clear that the FineFine is the superior microphone. Like I said, they're about the similar price, and for me, I'd go for the FineFine. You get the pop filter in the box, you get the screw thread. It works with both USB-A and USB-C, while the Snowball is just USB-A, so it's handy if you've got a MacBook, you don't have to use a dongle. So for me, there's just more things that come with the FineFine, and it sounds a lot better in my eyes. I will be doing follow-up videos on this. I'm going to be leaving this sort of setup here for a second angle, a second view, because it's way good enough for using on my podcast. If you're into longer form content, I've got a podcast. It's called Tech is Hard with my mate Danny Black over in Brisbane, Australia. It's lots of fun over there. We've got a great community and it's growing pretty fast. So go and check it out. I will link it in the description down below. While we're talking about podcasts, this is my podcast setup. This is what you see if you listen to the Tech is Hard podcast or watch it on YouTube. It's also available on every podcast platform, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Anchor, all those kind of things. And this is the FineFine. So would this be a good option for doing a podcast? Bear in mind, $49.99. Now I'm going to compare it with my Audio Technica AT220, which was £120 just for the XLR microphone. Then you have to buy the XLR lead. Then you have to buy a USB interface, which was another £120 from Complete Audio. So altogether, about £250 setup. So this is a FineFine. Now we'll switch over to the Audio Technica. So this is the Audio Technica, the AT220. This is the setup that I use, like I said, for the Tech is Hard podcast. And it sounds pretty good. It sounds comparable to more expensive microphones, but how does it stack up against a FineFine? You just have to be the judge and let me know what you think down in the comments below. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. FineFine, thanks for sending me this microphone to test and review. As always, totally honest and independent review though. It is an affiliate link in the description down below. That's the only way I'm making any money off this. And it's clear by the sound quality and the comparison we've just done that this is the superior microphone. Stay tuned for more updates on this microphone. I'll be using it more in the future. And yeah, stay tuned. That's it for now. Take it easy. And see you soon, guys. Bye.